Next, let's talk about AWS Management and Governance Services. AWS Management and Governance Services are designed to help the organizations to manage their cloud resources and applications in a secure and compliant manner. These services provide a suite of tools and features that enables the administrators to automate the task, monitor the performance, track the cost, and enforce the policies. Here are some of the key AWS Management and Governance Services. CloudTrail. This service enables you to log, continuously monitor, and retain the account activities about action taken within your AWS account. This is useful for auditing and compliance purpose as well as for the troubleshooting. CloudFormation. This service allows you to provision the AWS infrastructure resources in a repeatable and automated manner. You can use the pre-built templates or create your own templates to deploy the resources consistently and reliably. CloudWatch is a monitoring and logging service provided by AWS. It enables you to monitor the services and applications that run on the AWS. You can also monitor your on-prem resources using AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch collects and tracks the metrics, monitors the log file, and set the alarms. System Manager. This service allows you to automate the operational tasks across your AWS resources, including patch management, application deployment, and instance configuration. Control Tower. Control Tower is a service provided by AWS that helps the organizations to set up and govern the secure and compliant multi-account environment on AWS. AWS Control Tower makes it easier to manage the multiple AWS accounts and automate the account provisioning and configuration. AWS Config. This service provides a detailed inventory of your AWS resources, including configuration history and change notifications. It can also help you to identify the compliance issues and potential security threats. Identity and Access Management Service. This service provides the granular control over user access to AWS resources. You can create policies that define who can access specific resources and what actions they can take. In summary, AWS Management and Governance Services provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to help you manage your AWS resources and applications in a secure and compliant manner. We will discuss about these tools in more details in the coming slides.